Ever felt like your blender just gives up on you? You're trying to make a simple smoothie, and it just can't handle the frozen fruit. It's frustrating, messy, and honestly, a waste of good ingredients. What if there was a blender that could crush, blend, and puree absolutely anything you throw at it? A machine that handles ice, nuts, and tough greens without breaking a sweat. Well, get ready to meet the powerhouse that can transform your kitchen. Introducing the Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. This isn't just another appliance, it's a game changer. It sits sleekly on your counter, ready to tackle any culinary challenge. With its intuitive touchscreen and powerful design, it truly feels like the future of blending. Let's talk power. The Vitamix A3500 boasts a massive 2.2 horsepower motor. That means it absolutely demolishes even the toughest ingredients, turning rock-hard ice into smooth perfection in seconds. Forget guessing speeds. Its 5 pre-programmed settings handle smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, dips, and self-cleaning with just one touch. It takes the guesswork out of blending. And cleaning? It's a breeze. Just add water and a drop of soap. Hit the self-clean program and it cleans itself in 60 seconds. No more scrubbing stubborn residue. Plus, this blender is smart. Bluetooth connectivity links it to the Vitamix Perfect Blend app, giving you access to 17 programs and over 500 recipes. It's like having a culinary assistant built right in. This isn't just a tool, it's an investment in your health, your time, and your family's happiness. Imagine effortlessly creating nutritious meals and treats every single day. So, is it worth the premium price? Let's look at the pros and cons. On the pro side, you get that incredibly powerful motor that handles everything. It has that amazing self-cleaning function, saving you time and effort. It operates surprisingly quietly for such a powerful machine. And the warranty? A full 10 years. That shows how much Vitamix stands behind their product. Plus, it looks absolutely stunning on any kitchen counter. Now for the cons. Yes, the premium price point around $600 is significant. It's definitely an investment. It also takes up a decent amount of counter space, which is something to consider in smaller kitchens. Ready to stop struggling with weak blenders and start blending like a pro? Ready to experience the power and precision of the Vitamix A3500? Click the link below right now. Bring home the ultimate blending machine today and elevate your kitchen game. Don't wait to make healthy, delicious creations easier than ever. The Vitamix A3500 is more than just a blender. It's a lifestyle upgrade that makes healthy eating accessible and enjoyable for the whole family. From silky smooth soups to perfect frozen desserts, it opens up a world of culinary possibilities. Are you ready to make every meal an experience?